Hi everybody, this is Robert from Riddick's English. Today we're going to study 10 verbs that you can use when cooking. 10 common cooking verbs. Chopping, chopping, chopping. Cutting food into small pieces with a knife. I'm chopping the carrots for the salad. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Cooking food in water at a high temperature until it bubbles. The water is boiling to cook the pasta. Frying, frying, frying. Cooking food in hot oil. She is frying eggs for breakfast. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Mixing ingredients together, usually while cooking. I'm stirring the soup to make sure it doesn't stick to the pot. Peeling, peeling, peeling. Peeling is the process of removing the outer skin or layer from fruits, vegetables, or other food items. I'm peeling the potatoes before boiling them for mashed potatoes. Baking, baking, baking. Cooking food in the oven. She is baking cookies for dessert. Slicing, slicing, slicing. Slicing is the process of cutting food into thin, flat pieces, usually with a knife. I'm slicing the tomatoes for the salad. Grating, grating, grating. Shredding food into small pieces using a grater. I'm grating cheese for the pizza. Measuring, measuring, measuring. Using tools like measuring cups or spoons to determine the amount of ingredients. She is measuring sugar for the cake. Seasoning, seasoning, seasoning. Adding herbs, spices, salt or pepper to food to enhance its flavor. She's seasoning the soup with salt and pepper. So that's it for the 10 cooking verbs. I hope that will help you in the future, and I hope that you will learn those. This is Robert asking you to please like, comment on, and share this video. And as always, I would ask you to please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to grow. I'll see you next time.